All right. Now, when I'm preparing, the first thing I'm going to do, I've completed all the adjustments I have for my information. I've made all my classifications. Now I'm on to income statement for the accounting for 30th of June 2015. Well, that should say 16. Well, there's a mistake in my exam paper from last year. So that should be 16. Okay. So my income statement. Let's have a look here. Now, headings are important. What's it? Carpino Accounting Services. Now what's the next bit? Is it for year ending or as at? Year ending, yep. For year ending 30th of the 6th, 2016. So what I'm looking for now is my incomes. So there's my revenue. My revenue is $175,000. Actually, I'll tick it over here. $175,000. Oops. Less expenses. Now, I know there's no cost of goods sold because I see that in my title services. So there's no cost of goods sold for this business. So I just go straight to less expenses. Now, where's my first expense? Bank loan, equity, computer maintenance. I'm just going to do them in the way I see them. There's no computer maintenance is $500. My next one is rent expense of $25,000. Rent. Wages is $75,000. We've got prepaid renew, prepaid rent, motor vehicle, stationery expense $4,000. Actually, that's ARY. $4,000. There. Interest paid on loan, $1,000, and depreciation for motor vehicles. I'll do these separately. Is $7,500, and computer equipment is, what was it? $2,400. So it ticks off that one and that one. And then the last one is, yep. Now, who's fast on the calculator? Can someone calculate that for me? What do we got? We've got 100, 104, 105, 105, 112, 114, 115,500. Thank you very much, Nicola. 115,400, yep. The difference between these two, what's that? That'll be 59,600. And that's called my net profit. So that completes A. Now I want to go on to my balance sheet. Now let me just draw a line halfway through there. Services. 30th of June 2016. So this is the important piece of information that I'm looking for in your heading. You'll get a mark for it. And then we're doing the balance sheet. Now what's the first section on the balance sheet I should be doing? Current assets. So my current assets, now I'm going to just start from the top. Cash at bank. $6,000. Accounts receivable. Is $12,000. Have we got any other current assets? Yeah, we do. We have prepaid rent down here. Prepaid rent. How much was my prepaid rent? I've gone too fast. 1,000. Okay. Is there any others that I need to look at? No? Okay, so I'm going to have a total here of 19,000. Next section is my non-current assets. So my non-current assets, let's have a look. We've got accumulated depreciation, we've got computer equipment. So let's go with my computer equipment first. And my computer equipment comes in at $12,000. And then my accumulated depreciation for my computer equipment. CE means computer equipment. What was it? 6,400. So 6,400. My motor vehicle is 60,000, which is my next one. Is 60,000. And my accumulated depreciation was, how much was it? 7,500. 7,500. And that's a less than figure. Any others that I need to include? No. All right, so that's good. So if I give a total here, what have I got a total of? 12 minus 6 plus 60 minus that's 58,100. And then my total assets will be, how much we got here? 58 plus 20, 78, 77,100. So that's my total assets. Next will be my current liabilities. And my first current liability is my accounts payable. Let me just tick that one off as well. Accounts payable. And it was for $6,000. Next one would be prepaid revenue, 2,000. That'll give me a balance of 8,000. Non-current. Oops, I'm running out of room down here. And my non-current liabilities are, where are we? Bank loan, 20,000. It's 20,000. So that'll give me a total here of 28,000. and net assets. My net assets will be 77,000 less my 28,000, which will give me 49,100. Now I'm just going to move my page up a fraction. Now the next thing we want to do is equity. Which consists of capital plus my profit less my drawing. So capital, my capital figure we don't know, so we have to calculate this capital figure. So do we have profit? We do have profit because my profit is the information up here. So this piece of information I just transferred down to here. So I have profit of 59,600. And I have drawings. Where's my drawings? My drawings here are 45,500. 45,500 drawings. And that's outwards. And I know I have to balance back to this figure here, net assets. So I know I have to come back to 49,100. So what's my capital figure when I calculate it? The difference between these two is 14,600, 49,000 less, 49,100 less 14,100. 400, is it? Did I write the wrong number? Oh dear. 49,400. How did I get that wrong? 49,400, you are correct. Good stuff. Just as well I've got you marking my exam paper or else I'd fail. Alright, so that means my capital figure must then be $34,900. And that's how I complete my balance sheet. Now I'm not going to have enough room on that page, but that's okay.